Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. Cool Dandy here, and today is feeding time for the three babies, the three baby guys. These beautiful babies are around 30 days old, 28, 30 and 32 days old. So I'm now gonna feed the three of them, and you guys gonna see how Cool Dandy do this. Look at these beauties, look at these beauties. He's the first one that hatched. You can tell there. He's the one that with the most new feathers. He's already getting colors. I don't know what happened to Tico, but you see his eyes. He's keeping his eyes closed. Maybe one of the babies was biting him or something. Alright, you're gonna be the first one to get fed. You see the right eye is closed. You see that one, guys? The right eye is closed. I don't know. I wonder what happened there. And look at this beauty here. This is the middle one. He's around 30 days old. Alright, you hungry? Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Food to Papa. Papi's here. Ooh, hungry baby, hungry baby. Ooh. Alright. Now Tico gets 8. I gotta be careful these three beasts here running around. I don't want nobody to fall from the counter. Okay, Tico, you're ready. You can wait there. Let's do the next one. They're gonna be now ready to nappy. Ready to pass out. Let's feed now this beautiful here. I think this is a female. She also had these eyes closed, you see, you notice? This one had the left eyes closed. I wonder if they're playing batting each other inside there. I wonder what's going on. They're gonna be fine. They will not hurt each other. Alright, next one. Open up. That is coming with food. Come on, be a good girl. Come on. Good girl. Hey, come on. Yep. Come on. Good girl, good girl. Come on. Come on. Okay. This one are the one that these two that was racing with the parents, so they're not so used to the needle. They gotta get used to the needle. Here. And Tico now likes to puke his food. He's puking a lot of his food back out. Alright, you stay there, buddy. You stay there. Where are you going? But they're growing so fast now. Super fast. Every day I see them bigger. Like chickens. He's already getting nice colors, you can see there. Beautiful coloring. And I think this is gonna be a male. You're gonna see now. Tico, ven para acá. Dale ahí. Alright, come on. Good job. This one like that, when you wait too long to take him away from the parents, they're gonna give you more hard time to get for you to feed them. But we're working on it. Every day is getting easier and easier. But look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. The three musketeers. Look at these beauties. And I put my bands in each one of them. Yeah, and they're doing great. And this is what we do 4 times a day. Yep. And Tico is, you see, spitting his food out, burping it, and eating some. Alright, my guys, I see you in the next video. Cool Dandy here. I see you in the next video. I'm cleaning these babies here. I make another video when these babies are a little bit bigger. Hey, let go the nut. Hey, let go the paper towel. And look at Tico spilling all his food. He started doing that once I got him. I got these 2 babies in there. One day if he's nervous because of it. Well, you gotta get used to. Family stay together. Alright, my guys. I'll see you in the next video. Cool Dandy here. GG. GG.